Hello, good day guys. This is Dr. Cool Autofix. How you guys doing? Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to replace the Volkswagen Touareg radiator fan. Maybe the fan control module is bad and you need to replace it because except you have to create some joints there. But suppose you actually want to replace this with just a complete replacement of both the control module and the fan, then this video is for you. Now these two fans, they have two independent fan control modules. So how do you remove it? It was a tug of war trying to get this thing out. But sometimes we can ask, why do Germans always make it little simple things complicated? Well, they do it very simple and it's actually simple to them. But you have to think the way they think to be able to understand their own system. So this is not Toyota. So here is the one which I've removed, and I'm gonna show you. This is the one I removed for this very Volkswagen Touareg here while trying to replace the serpentine belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the little trick right there. I struggle with this thing here before getting it out. Now if I put the fan back, it's gonna be hard for you to know what I'm saying. So let me get over here, and right here, okay, so the first thing you need to do here, they got a zipper here. You just need to find something and ply this up, and this one should get out. To put it back, just need to push it back in, then you zip up again. This one here, you'll be needing to just grab it from up here. Alright, and it's out. Okay, push it back and lock in. This one here, you gotta push it in like this, then press the button downwards, then pull. Push, then pull. So that's it. Locks back. And make that sound and it locks back. So that's how to remove it. There is no screws holding it in place. You have this guy here. You need to use a flat screwdriver to press this down and pull the radiator up while doing so. You have to do it on this side as much as this side. You need to press it down like this. Show you. Alright, if you don't press it down, it's not gonna get out. It's gonna get stuck in there. So once you push it, then you have to pull it out and mind the handle, because it's gonna hold here and grab some of the things there. So you get it off, then it should come out nice and easy. So that's it guys. I hope this was full. I remain Dr. Cool Autofix. I'll catch you guys later on my next video. Bye for now.